Greetings of the day from CA Dr. Rajkumar Adukia. Friends, today I will be discussing about why a chartered accountant must use social media to become a global service provider. Now let us first understand what is social media. Social media are websites and applications where one can create and share the contents, and the viewers can interact with those sharing of contents, and therefore the website and other platforms, the popular ones are Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, and there are many others like Quora, Blog, SlideShare, Podcast, and all these Anchor.mf. So if we take a total population of the world, which is 7,700 crores, more than 60% of the population of the world, more than 400 crores, they are on different social media platforms. We as a chartered accountants are rightly concerned with professional ethics and code of conduct, which is our foundation and on which a professional carries the image as a professional. So in the first schedule to the Chartered Accountant Act 1949, among various clauses, there are 3 clauses about soliciting the business and getting the work. And those clauses are clause 5, where one secures the professional works directly or indirectly. Clause 6, where one solicits the professional work directly or indirectly. And clause 7, where one advertises the one's work and gets the work through advertisement. It is said that knowledge is a power and knowledge is an asset. But it is also said that knowledge becomes more powerful when it is shared. Todd Henry has written a book called Die Empty. What he means, and he explains that book, that when we leave this world, we do not carry material asset with us to the heaven or when we are going back from this planet. But we carry back with us our mind, where the value of the asset is infinite. So Todd Henry has said that in our lifetime, whatever we have learned, we should keep on sharing. And social media is the best platform. Like, I'm making one YouTube video every day. I also share the contents on all the platforms. And it's a great learning, because when you want to share, you have to first accumulate the knowledge, grasp it, understand it, make it useful and relevant to the viewers. So my strong request to every chartered accountant is that we must use, and it does not take time, all the social media platforms by sharing our knowledge. And it is very easy. There are tools where we can learn. Like Canva is one tool, Canva, Trello, where we can create a design of our contents, the JPG flyers. For YouTube videos, we can create thumbnail. For podcast upload, also we can create uh, thumbnail on these tools. And Quora, where we can, like the whole world, we can ask our questions. Our knowledge we can share by answering the questions put by other users. So this is a, a, a platform which is can be used without any investment, without any cost. The same thing if we utilizes other tools. There are platforms where we can post our articles. There are online platforms where articles can be posted on our blog. We can post articles. So this way, the social media platform in Facebook, there are about 2.5 monthly users. In Instagram, there are 1 million monthly users. And there are platforms like TED, where we can have our sessions placed on the TED. And there are other platforms like Scripd, SlideShare, where we can share our articles, we can share our PPTs. We can also use, this 24th March 2020, all this technology was available earlier also. But that day of lockdown has taught us use of, I remember, for some time people were baffling what to do. I had started one daily self-development book reading from 24th March itself. So there are various online meeting platforms like Zoom, Google, Skype, FaceTime. So now when any customer wants to meet me, I say, we will have a Zoom meeting. So the customer also saves the time. We also save time. The meeting is more focused because unwanted distraction is not there, and so time is utilized more meaningfully. So I would suggest every viewer to use social media platform, and they should remove from their mind that if we are sharing pure knowledge without violating clause 5, 6 by giving our firm name or giving our expertise, it is said that we have to learn, unlearn, and relearn. In today's time, somebody who is not knowing social media is illiterate. It does not take time. Age is in mind. A person of any age can learn technology and can start using these tools. It is said that in the long history of mankind, those who learn to collaborate and improvise, they most effectively have prevailed. So I myself also, to become expert on use of social media platforms, I kept different teachers. There is one teacher only for use of, effective use of a smartphone, iPhone. So there are, keywords. Suppose there are 20 lines which I send to different people. I can use 2 alphabet, and whenever I will type 2 alphabet, those 20 lines will be reproduced. So we have all the resources available, and I would request viewers to make a try to start using social media. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Tell your other interested colleagues to subscribe the YouTube channel. Let me know the topics on which you need a YouTube video. Thank you for listening.